In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a course on Whop, a platform designed specifically for creators like you. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the official Whop website at whop.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Whop account. If you haven't set one up yet, no worries, go ahead and create a new account. It's a straightforward process and you'll be ready to dive into course creation in no time. Now, once you're logged in, let's move on to accessing the Creator dashboard. To do this, click on your profile icon located conveniently at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, choose either Creator Dashboard or Sell. Both options will direct you to the right place for course creation. With the dashboard open, it's time to create a new product. Click on Create New Product or Add Product. Here we're focusing on building a course, so make sure to select course as your product type. This will ensure you have all the features needed to present your educational material effectively. Moving forward, you'll want to add the details of your course. Start by entering a compelling title for your course. This is what will grab potential students' attention. Follow this with a detailed description that clearly explains what your course is about and what students can expect to learn. Don't forget to add course images or a cover photo. Visuals are essential for giving your page a polished and professional look. Next up is uploading your course content. Think of this as the core of your offering. Here, you'll add all your lessons, which can include video files, PDFs, audio files, and any other materials that support the learning experience. Make sure to organize these resources in a logical order, allowing students to follow along easily and get the most out of your course. Now on to setting your pricing. Decide whether your course will be free or if you'd like to set a price for access. Should you choose to charge, you can specify the cost in United States dollars or even crypto if that's enabled on your account. Once pricing is set, let's talk about access configuration. Determine who gets to access your course materials. You can open it up to everyone or restrict access to only those who have paid. Additionally, you have the option to set up drip content, which means lessons can be released gradually, perfect for maintaining student engagement over a set period. Finally, after reviewing all your settings and ensuring everything is just how you want it, it is time to make your course live. Hit the publish button and your course is ready for the world to see. Congratulations. By following these steps, you've successfully published a course on Whop. Thanks for watching and happy creating.